Hi everyone, today we're going to learn how to make a pizza. First, we need to cut the celery into small pieces. Remember to keep your fingers away from the edge of the knife as you might cut yourself. Okay, now that we're done with the celery, we can move on to the ham. Try not to cut the ham slices too small as you want a few big chunks. This will make your pizza look more appetizing. Small little pieces just like this will do it. Sometimes the pieces don't come apart, so don't worry, you just need to tear them apart a bit. They'll still be in the same shape. Take this piece for example. I cut it, but it's not fully cut. Just tear it apart. It still tastes just as nice. Also, you may want to cut a few more slices than you might need, as after it's cooked, it may look a bit smaller than you expect. About 4 pieces should be just right. Alright, now we have finished cutting the ham. You can put this in the bowl. Now, we have to put the tomato sauce on the pizza. Take as much as you need, but just enough to cover the entire pizza. You can use a spoon to spread it out, or you can use something like this, a larger spoon. See? Spread it around easily. As one spoonful might not be enough, you can take another one. Try putting on the edges, as after you cook the pizza, you want the pizza to have tomato sauce on the edge. You don't want it to have tomato sauce cut off. Like this. It's a bit too much, just scrape it back. Alright. Now, this is for 2 pizzas. If you just want to make 1 pizza, you don't need to make this one. After you're done, put the pizza on the tray and then put it in the oven. The oven should be preheated first to about 220 degrees Celsius. After that, just place it in. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes and I've taken the pizza out of the oven. Now let's put the toppings on. You can choose which one to put on first, the celery or the ham. Doesn't really matter. Try and put a fair amount on each pizza. Also try and spread it around the pizza. Therefore, you will have pizza all around, you have like ham all around the pizza and not just in the center. Therefore, you can enjoy it longer. Okay, now we're done. We should put the pizzas back inside there for around 10 minutes. you go. Alright, the pizza looks quite good to me now. We want it slightly. Now, we can put the cheese. You see, if you put cheese on the top, as it cooks, cheese melts, and as it sinks to the bottom, it sticks everything together and it makes it look nicer and of course, makes it taste better. You can put as much cheese as you want. Let's put the pizza back in the oven for a while more and let it cook. Alright, I think the pizza's about cooked. Try not to touch it as it's still hot. If you need to touch it to bring it closer, use a glove. Look at this. The cheese has melted all over the ingredients and it looks very nice. Now we can cut the pizza. As this is square shaped, you may not be able to cut it the style that you usually get from pizza restaurants. However, you can cut it any style you like, such as halves, you can cut it into quarters, maybe even eat the whole thing whole. I prefer to cut it into quarters. And there you go, pizza. It tastes really good too. Well, this is all for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!